Hello all, we're going to view main page parameters. Description of page can be written here, and it will be shown on navigation page. Page icon can be selected, and it will be shown on navigation page. There are two label lines on main page. They can be defined by user or with related objects via KNX bus. It is possible to show three status items, which can be internal or external sensors. Status items can be selected from list. These are temperature, humidity, air quality, carbon dioxide, volatile organic compound, 2.5 micrometer or less particulate matter, 10 micrometer or less particulate matter, brightness, and wind speed. It is possible to add two buttons on main page. When pressed, these buttons will send selected data to KNX bus. Data type can be selected as 1 bit, 1 byte scene control, 1 byte value, or 1 byte percentage. An icon can be selected from list. It is possible to name the button. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.